Don't go through my pockets. You got no right to.
Shut the hell up. I'm not politically correct. You're going to jail. You're going to learn the hard way.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Michigan Constitutional Crusader and features another great outcome of an incident you may be familiar with. On November 13th, 2020, officers of the Corunna Police Department and troopers from the Michigan State Police were called to the scene of a man threatening to jump from a utility tower. MCC streamed the incident for a few minutes and was eventually confronted by troopers Murphy and Mullador.
What? It's public property. First Amendment protected activity. Unless you got it taped off, I can be here.
Well, that might be true, but we're trying to do something. We're trying to get this guy to work with us.
Okay, and that's why I'm standing a good distance away.
Well, the more people he sees, the more he's getting agitated. Okay, we don't want him to fall.
I don't want him to do that either. That's why I'm staying way back here.
Okay, could you go back a little further?
Like, how far are you talking?
Well, we're closer than we want to be, okay?
All right. What's your name and badge number?
My name's Trooper Murphy. Badge number is 1189.
Thank you. And what's yours?
Trooper Mullador, 248.
Okay. How about I stand by that pole over there? Is that cool?
Be fine.
All right. I'm willing to compromise.
The troopers left Michigan Constitutional Crusader alone after agreeing to move back, and positioned himself almost 500 feet away from the incident, where he continued to record with a zoom lens for a few minutes until Corunna Police Chief Nick Churros noticed him filming and stomped over to confront MCC.
I was up closer, and they asked me to move back, so I did, because of the severity of what's going on here. And I told them exactly where I was going to go, and they agreed that that was fine. Now I got another officer coming towards me. Let's see what he has to say.
Hey, Scott.
Hey, you, I need you to get out of here.
Nope.
He's trying to get out of here.
This is a First Amendment protected activity. Do not touch
You
me.
go, I'm going to arrest you.
Me.
Get out of here.
For what?
I'm going to arrest you.
You want to cause
For
a scene and
interfering.
get this guy upset?
Get out of here.
I'm not interfering
You're
with
going to
anything.
get him
I'm plenty
upset.
far away.
You're going to get him upset.
That's why I'm standing behind
No,
the pole.
we don't need the camera here. Out of here.
What are you going to arrest me for?
For interfering.
How am I interfering standing
And
this far
obstructing.
back?
Back.
How am I
Back.
obstructing?
I told you to leave.
This
This
is
city property, I can tell you to leave.
Yeah, it's public property.
No, city, go.
Public property.
Get out of here, I'm going to arrest you.
For what?
I just told you.
You want to get a lawsuit?
I don't care what you do. You're getting out of here.
No, I'm not.
We're trying to negotiate something here, and I don't need you here
And that's
screwing
why I'm
things up.
standing so far back.
Get out of here. You didn't leave, I'm going to arrest you. Last time I'm going to tell you.
This is public property, sir.
Last time I'm going to tell you.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm the chief of police.
And what's your name?
Nick.
Nick what?
Churros.
Do you not know the Constitution that you swore to uphold?
Get out of here.
Do you not know the Constitution that
I'm
you
telling you,
swore to
last
uphold?
time.
I am media.
No, you're not media.
Yes, I am, sir.
Chief Churros has now placed Michigan Constitutional Crusader under arrest for interfering, resisting, and obstructing. While leading him to his cruiser, the chief says the following.
Oh, now you want to take me closer? That's brilliant.
Can you bring your car over
I
here?
talked to the state troopers, and they said I was fine where I was at.
No, you're not. How you turn this off so you don't waste your battery?
You don't need to touch it. You turn it off, that's also a violation of my rights. You're just stacking it up for yourself, aren't you?
What's your name?
Don't go through my pockets. You got no right to.
Shut
It's
the hell
an
up.
unlawful arrest, and you're unlawfully going through my pockets. Oh, and then you throw my equipment on the ground? Nice. You're the only one here causing the scene, not me.
You just live on Road?
No comment.
So now you're gonna be a real asshole, huh?
Well, you're being one, so why not?
No.
Yeah. You're violating my rights.
No,
sir.
listen. I give a fuck about your rights right now.
Really?
I'm not politically correct. So shove that up your ass. I could give a fuck less what you think. You understand?
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
I'm worried about that guy jumping off that goddamn.
And that's why I was hiding behind the
And I don't
pole.
need you here doing this. So you're going to jail. You're going to learn the hard way. I told you about 4 times.
I'm not going to learn the hard way. You are.
No, I'm not.
Hell yeah.
You. You guys taking down lodging for me?
Pull this down. I'm going to put a poke in my eye.
What do you want for charges? Anything resisting instruction. Okay.
Ooh,
Here.
Trespass as well, or?
No, not trespass. Give that to the jail.
I don't think
No. This is exactly what he wanted to happen, huh? Well, you got it.
I know, I did not want it to happen.
Yes,
That's
you
why I
did.
was standing by the pole over
Well,
there.
that's good. Okay.
This is a bunch of shit that you guys know it.
It is. But you did it.
No, I didn't do nothing wrong. This is the First Amendment protected activity. And this is public property. BS, and I'm going to get fucking rich from it. That's stupid. I don't want to do that. I just want to have my rights, you know.
What did you even plan on doing with the video?
Doesn't matter what I was planning on doing with the video.
field. Where do you want me to meet? You wanted to see this guy hurt himself? Is that?
No,
Okay.
I didn't want that. If I was wanting to see him hurt himself, I'd have walked right into the jail. Something stupid like that.
Okay, well, there's no different you interfering here than you were there, so.
How am I interfering from 500 feet?
Don't know, that's the chief of police, and he says you were, so.
And he's wrong.
The man on the tower was brought down without further incident, but Michigan constitutional Crusader was put in jail for 22 hours before being released with no charges. Viewers like you wrote hundreds of emails and made phone calls to the department and city council, and just 4 days after the incident, Chief Churros was fired but was allowed to keep his pension and benefits. Michigan constitutional Crusader notified the city of Corunna that he intended to file a First and Fourth Amendment lawsuit in federal court. Negotiations then ensued and was settled for the sum of $95,000. It would have been nice to see the case reach the 6th Appellate Court to further solidify the public's right to free press, but it is nice to see a win from such dangerous behavior. I ask you to question how often encounters like this turn sour and negatively affect people's lives prior to the widespread use of video and audio recording devices. These events still happen often. It seems like they've gotten away with it for so long that violating people's rights is just second nature, without paying any mind to their oaths. Michigan Constitutional Crusader's channel will be linked below. He releases videos and streams often. Be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.